morning students. Hope all of you are fit and fine. I, Miss Karima, welcome you all to the RKP online classes. Students, we have started our chapter 2, that is addition, and today's our topic is addition with regrouping and without regrouping. Our first topic is first type is addition with regrouping. In this there is always a carry forward. That's why we need to regroup the numbers. So first these two 3-digit numbers are given to you. These two are called addends. These two are called addends. And your answers will be sum. Okay. First of all, place it in place value chart. That is ones place, tens place and hundred place. Okay. Start addition from the ones place. When you add 8 plus 5, you will get 13. You will get 13. Okay. This 13 will be ones. You will write here ones. This is 13 ones. When you regroup it, then 3, 1 tens. This will become the tens and this will become ones. 1 tens plus 3 ones. 3 ones will come at the ones place and this tens will be the carry over here. Okay. Now add it. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 5, 12. This will be the 12, not ones. It will be the tens because it is at tens place. So you will write here tens. 12 tens. Now again regroup it. When you regroup it, this will become the tens and this will be the 100. Okay. 100 plus 2 tens. This tens will come at the tens place and this 100 will become the carry over this place. Okay. This is 100 place carry and 2 will come at the tens place. Now add here at the 100 place 2 plus 1, 3 and 3 plus 3, 6. Okay. Now by regrouping the numbers you can add these 3-digit numbers. Okay. Now read it 623. Okay. Now come to the second question. You have given 3-digit numbers and first of all place it in place value chart. Ones, tens, 100. Start addition from the ones place. First of all add first two numbers. 9 plus 6, 15 and 15 plus 5, 20. This is 20 ones. This is 20 ones. Now regroup it. When you regroup it, it will become, this will become tens and this will become, this will become ones and this will become tens. So 2 tens plus 0 ones. 0 will come at the ones place and 2 tens will become the carry over here. Okay. Now add these two. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. This 10 will be the tens. Okay. 10 tens. Okay. I'll write here 10 tens. When you regroup it, this will become the tens and the next will become the 100. Okay. 100 plus 0 tens. Means 0 tens will come at the tens place and this 100 will become the carry over the 100 place. This will become 1 carry. Now add 100 place. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. Now read it. 1000. Okay. Now student, this is the example of without regrouping. Means there will be no carry forward. You can add simple without regrouping. First of all place it in place value chart. This is ones, tens and that is 100 place. Start addition from the ones place. 4 plus first, there are 3-digit numbers are given to you. First add first two numbers. 4 plus 2, 6. Now this result will add in this number. 6 plus 3 will be 9. So write 9 here. Because this is the single digit. When two digit come, then you need to regroup the numbers. Okay. This is the single digit, so there is no need to regroup the numbers. Now add, come to the tens place. Start addition. First two numbers. 2 plus 1 3 and 3 plus 5 8. Now come to the hundred place. 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 1 6. So this is one of the example, that is the addition without regrouping, and you can read it also. 689. Okay. These two questions are given to you, so do these practice questions by yourself. Now students, our next topic is write in columns and add. First of all, you have to arrange it in columns and then add it. Okay. How will you arrange it in a columns? So first of all, you should know what are the rows and what are the columns. Suppose you have given these lines like this. This will be our row 1. This will be our row 1. This is row 2. This is row 3. Okay. Means horizontal lines will be called rows and vertical lines will be your columns. Okay. This will be the column 1, column 2, column 3. Okay. Now you should add, first of all you will write in columns. Okay. 2, 3, 233, and next one is 784. You will write like this. Now add it. First of all, arrange it in, place it in place value chart. Ones, tens, hundred. Start addition from the ones place. 3 plus 4, 7. 8 plus 3, 11. Means 11. This is the two-digit number that is greater than 9. And when two-digit number comes, then you have to regroup the numbers. And what is the place of this 11? That is 10. So you will write tens here. Now regroup it. When you regroup it, first digit will be the tens and second digit will become the next place. That is 100. 100 plus 1 tens. Okay. This tens will come the tens place and this 100 will become the carry over the 100 place. 2 plus 1, 3 and 3 plus 7, 10. Okay. So read it. 1017. You can write one place here. One place, that is 1000 place. 1017. Okay. Now come to the second question. First of all, arrange it in columns. Arrange it 665, 248 and 114. Plus sign will come here. Now add it. First of all, place it in place value chart. Ones, tens, hundred, and we will take one more place, that is 1000 place. Now start addition from the ones place and add first two numbers. 8 plus 5, 13, 13 plus 4, 17. This is the 17, right? When you regroup it, this is two-digit number and you have to regroup it. 17 ones. I'll write here. 17 ones. When you regroup it, what will you get? 1 tens plus 7 ones. How? First digit will be your ones and second digit will be next place. Okay. Means 1 tens and 7 ones. 7 will come at this place and this will become the carry over the tens place. Now add it. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 4, 11. 11 plus 1, 12. And this 12 will be the 12 tens. Okay. 12 tens. When you regroup it, what will you get? This first digit will be the tens and this second digit will become the next place. Means 100 plus 2 tens. Okay. 2 tens. Means 2 will come at the tens place and this 100 will become the carry over the 100 place. 1 will. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. Okay. Now read it. 1027.